Hi, welcome to our Hibernate tutorial. Let us try to use SQL queries within Hibernate. Previously we have seen how to use SQL queries and criteria. Now let us see how we can make the use of SQL queries within Hibernate. See, in this program we are executing a SQL query, a pure SQL query. We have taken this SQL query as a string and we're passing this string for the method create SQL query, which gives a SQL query object. So in this SQL query we are actually trying to get a whole table information, the data for the whole table. So we need to have this add entity method here. So we are passing this worker class, which is our pozo class. By using this method add entity, this method is to map the query results to the class worker. So this is essential while we are getting all the data of our table. By executing this select star from the table. Finally we are getting the results here and we are printing all the results here. So let us run this. See, we have got all the records from the database table worker. So this is how we can make the use of simple SQL query. Here we are selecting only two fields from the worker table, ID and name. We just want to print the IDs and names from the worker table. So for that we are just storing our SQL query as a string and we are passing the same string to the create SQL query method. And finally, while we are iterating, we will get an array of objects. Array of object, we will get an array. So we need to iterate it through this array to get all the details. So let us run this. Well, we got it. Worker ID and worker name. Here we are trying to get the average salary from the table worker. So this average function returns a big decimal. So we are typecasting it into big decimal. So let's run this. Well, we got it. We can get the number of records from the table by using the method, by using this select query. Select count star from worker. Let's run this. Well, we got it. By using this distinct, we can get the distinct values for the column name salary from the table worker. Let us see how many distinct columns, distinct values we have. Well, we have two. By using the max function, we can get the maximum salary from the worker table. Let us see. Yes, we got it. can update the database table by using this update query, SQL query. So to execute this, we are just calling execute update on the SQL query, which returns number of records. Let's execute this. Let us find it same in the database table. Well, it is reflecting. Let us delete a record from the database table using the delete SQL query. We are deleting the record with the name Sri. Well, the rows are only 6 now, and it has been deleted successfully. In this, we are fetching only the names from the database table worker. So it returns only the object, and we are typecasting it into the string because we know name is a string in the database table worker. Well, we got it. Here we are trying to insert the values into the database table worker by using this insert statement, and we are just using the method execute update. It is properly terminated. It is not properly terminated. Well, it is done. Well, we have not committed the transaction yet. Get transaction commit. Well, now it's going to be executed successfully. Now we got 7 rows, which has our updated row. So with this we have completed this SQL, native SQL. Thanks for watching.